Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. I'm just going to show you guys my pool, and this is actually a Cosman Power Steve frame pool, 16 by 10 by 48 oversized. So I did get this at Walmart. It does come with everything. There's a ladder, there's a pump, filter pump, and the pool is very large. As you can see, I'm going to show you guys how I got it from blue, how I got it from green to blue. So I'm gonna link the description and the link in the bio so that if you want to order this pool for yourself or your family, you can go ahead and do so from Walmart. It's very cost efficient. It's about $1,000, but for the value and the fun you're gonna have, it's worth it. So these are my kids in the pool. It's actually very
So they
green
love
now,
it.
very blue. They also had friends over. So let's get into this video of how I got my pool from green to blue. So I did use the Clorox pool for this is for spa and pool. This is to treat all the algae in the pool, bacteria, stuff like that, any type of allergies. And then I did use a pool shark. This is liquid chlorinator for the pool. Yep, it's very good, very helpful. I also used this, which is a 3-inch chlorinating tablets. This is a multi-purpose sanitizer for your pool. It kills the bacteria. Just all the way around good for your pool. If you have an above ground pool, you definitely are gonna need these items. Also, this is a clear balance. This helps with the pH and the alkaline in your pool. It's a one step, so you definitely don't need to mix it with anything. So this one comes with 16 tablet, but I've had my pool for 1 full year, so I did use it for last year. And then now this is a new year, so I did started to use it. So the tablet look like this. It's a 3-inch tablet. You just take one out. I normally use one every 2 weeks. So you're gonna need for the summer, you're gonna need to use at least 8. So I do use one every 2 weeks, and I put it in my pool, and that helps with killing the bacteria and germs of my pool. All right, so this is what it looks like. It's pretty large. Yep. And I did get the largest size because I have a larger pool. And these are just pieces in it because they crumble. But don't worry about that. And this is the clear balance, is what this looks like. Yep, that's a 3-inch also, very full, like a tablet. Yep, that's what that looks like. So I do use one of this, and I put that in my pool along with some pool shark and the clay balance, the chlorinated thing. Also, this is a pool pump. This is very important if you want to keep your pool very blue and pretty. So I'm gonna link the description in my bio where you can get this, but please check out my other video to see how this works and what I changed the one that it came with and got this one. I'm gonna link this in my description bar so you can check out my another video to see how I set this up. So I did get this from Amazon. It's the pool filter sand pump for above ground pool, and it does work pretty good at keeping my pool like this. Yep, that's my daughter. And she's making a big splash in the pool. She love it. The water is nice and blue, and they love it. All right, please subscribe to my channel, guys, for more videos. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be first notified when I post. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.